Thinking to code your own project? Let's get started. How can you plan your project? First of all, you can use the most obvious software out there, Jira or Go Jira. But it's expensive and hard to use. So you can use something easier known as GitHub Issues. It is good because you can assign it to someone. You can have checklist over there. You can have bullet points over there. You can also set some milestones, projects, and best part is you can create your own branch out of it, so it's easier to track and keep the documentation. Once you have a plan ready, you can go to next stage, which is design and structure. How you structure your project? So basically I use wireframes to structure my coding apps or web apps. But where to do it? You can use Figma, or you can use any other software like Adobe XD, where you can create your wireframes. But personally I like Figma because it is easier to use. You can design anything you want, and you can also have, if you're using building it for websites, you can also have whatever the color are set, you can have the hashes for it, and also they provide some CSS and JavaScript support for it, so it's very good. Next, when you are designing a database, it's important you arrange your schemas well. So for that I personally use eraser.io because it helps you to relate your database schemas wherever you want. You can see on the screen that how the database I have made, you can pinpoint which field to be assigned to which, the relations could be arranged. It is very great tool if you are working in SQL or Postgres based database. You can use it to create some flows if you want, and the flows look awesome on this. I'm always confused what technology would come next, what I would do next. So eraser.io has helped me to pinpoint the pains I had to plan it out, how the flow of the project would be. Next up is choosing the tech stack. The tech stack is very important, but it's very complex too, because the right tech stack can break or make the project. For me, I generally use for Next.js, React.js for the web development, and for app development I use Flutter, sometimes React Native for obvious reasons. But what you choose is very important for you, and probably people use Laravel or something for their backend. I don't use backends that much. I generally use no-code databases like Supabase, SurrealDB or Firebase to make my projects, because it makes your work less and you can code faster. I use their age functions for suppose I need to send some emails or something. I use their age functions for those operations. If you want to make payment gateway and you need to have some transactions, it could be easily done over that. So I don't waste my time making the backend. But even if I need to, I use MongoDB because
What
is called Django is a great tool for making backends, because it helps you create the admin panel very easily, and you don't have the hassle of Node.js to maintain everything. If you like this video, you can consider my another videos, or you can subscribe to this channel. I'll love if you comment on this, and there's a chat link in the description box. It's my own app. You can chat over there and ask questions if you want. It is called as Bewitch. It is a chatting application made by me. So if you want, you can chat over on it, and I would receive the notifications. Thanks for watching.